ஏ நாங்க பிச்சை எடுக்காத ரோடே இல்ல, நாடே இல்லடா. நாங்க பிச்சை எடுக்காத ரோடு இல்ல, நாங்க பிச்சை எடுக்காத நாடே இல்லடா உலகத்துல. That is the way, the most non-violent way. I mobilized people from all over the world for this great spiritual revival of Kailasa. This great spiritual revolution, Kailasa. You should carry Bhagavad Gita books with you. Even if they give $1, you should give them one book. Then they will understand you are not here for begging, collecting, you are here for giving. But when you want to give, nobody opens themselves up. They feel, why should we receive? But if you are asking for something, they feel superior and they try to give. And then after they give, if you give the book, they say, okay, give. If you directly give book, they don't want to listen. They don't want to hear. They think you are here for converting people. You are here for brainwashing people. You are here with some cunning strategy. Go with a begging bowl and ask them something. Then they open up. When they give something, give them this book. This is a prasada, please have it. That's it. If you beg, you will open more number of people's heart than if you gift Bhagavad Gita to people. Begging is the most powerful non-violent strategy for mobilizing people for spiritual revolution. You would have never thought, you would have never looked at begging from this angle. நாங்க பிச்சை எடுத்து பச்சடி பண்ணவங்க இல்ல, கிச்சடி பண்ணவங்களடா. பிச்சை எடுக்கிறதுல PhD பண்ணவங்கடா. So understand this science. பிச்சை எடுத்து கிச்சடியோ பச்சடியோ பண்ணவங்க இல்ல நாங்க. பிச்சை எடுக்கிறதுல PhD பண்ணவங்க. Let us plan for this 3 project. For coming 41st Chaturmasya, so with this, the essence of today's satsang is break from all obsessive, compulsive, reactionary behaviors, patterns, and stop suffocating yourself and stop blaming others for your suffocations and stop using others' name. Oh, they put this pattern on me, this person put this pattern on me. Dvaita Varjita, for you only. Stop blaming others. This person put this pattern on me. That person told me to be like this. Stop blaming others. Your life is in your hands. Blaming others will not save yourself. And I have also seen people telling, oh, I tried my best. I feel like I will lose my mind will break. Ah, God. Actually, your mind should break. That is what is enlightenment. If you feel that your mind will break, you will lose your mind, you should you are on right track. You should break the mind. You should lose the mind. That is the way enlightenment happens. Now, I have seen people telling, oh, I feel like I tried my best. I feel like I may lose my mind. My mind will break. Actually, you should lose your mind. That's the way enlightenment happens. You should break your mind. That's the way enlightenment happens. Enlightenment is the state beyond mind. Oh, I tried my best. There is nothing called trying your best. Simply doing it is the only best. Nothing else can be called as best. I tried my best is the cunning way of cheating yourself.